Hi folks, this is Niels from IBB, doing IT business in China for more than 20 years. We are having seen China starting in the IT field with first email addresses, first email boxes up to today. In today's video, we want to talk about internet in China. What is different, what is special. I need to say folks, those of you who are living in China, know how it works in China, this video maybe is not for you. You maybe switch to some later videos of us where we talk more about details. But those folks who are new to China, who are not living here, this video is made for you to understand what is going on with the internet in China. Okay, so internet in China. What is different? I actually would like to call the internet in China more an intranet than an internet. Why is that? China is actually controlling and monitoring the internet traffic, what is going in and out very tightly and very carefully. If you are inside of China, actually the internet is pretty good. You have pretty good connections, you have a pretty good infrastructure, everything is with fiber cables, you have good bandwidth, everything is fine. But the moment you are trying to access the outside world from China, you are starting facing issues with speed, with latency, and up to sites are completely blocked because China is running the Great Firewall of China, one big firewall which is actually protecting, like you protect your home with your router. China's protecting with a big firewall entire China. Nothing comes in uncontrolled, nothing goes out uncontrolled. And this will impact actually all of the IT services you are using. You can imagine this will impact emails, whether you use public email services like Gmail or you use your corporate company email services. It will impact file sharings, whatever you're using. It will impact websites inside, outside of China. It will impact chats. It will impact your banking, your home banking, everything what you basically do nowadays on the internet, which is almost half of your life, will be impacted by this. What is the philosophy of China behind that? How they do this, or why they do this? Actually, China is blocking a lot of services which they believe should not be presented in China, like Facebook, Twitter, Google, you name it. But they actually give replacements. They give Chinese versions for that. Instead of Facebook and Twitter, for example, you have Weibo. Instead of WhatsApp, for example, you have WeChat. Instead of Google, you have Baidu. So actually, it's not that China is just blocking the stuff and you don't have anything. You have to die. You get something, but provided by Chinese internet service providers. So this list, what is replaced, I could go on and on, but yeah. So just to let you know how it works. So now, actually, there are folks here in China who basically start, okay, man, no problem. I can use VPNs, so I can actually overjump this Great Firewall again. But this, I have to just slow down here a little bit and have to say this is not a sustainable and also not a reliable solution for you, since, step into the shoes of the people who do the Great Firewall, step in the shoes of the host here of China. They are actually building this firewall up. They spend a hell of effort and money to run that. That you always find a way to jump over that. That's for sure not wanted. So actually, China is more and more coming up with technical as well as legal measurements to block that. And I really cannot suggest to have a VPN solution as a reliable solution to run your business applications, your business services on. Another solution, but we will talk later about this, are MPLS solutions. This is a very corporate solution you could use, but they are also very costly. But this topic, also VPN, we actually plan to make more videos in future about. So, what is actually the conclusion? What you can do? How you do your IT infrastructure if you come to China, if you start a business in China? For my idea, it is simply a good idea to have all your applications, all your business critical services hosted in China or hosted on a hybrid cloud solution. The hosting stuff in China, for sure, you have all what I already mentioned in the beginning. You have all those Chinese IT services as a replacement of Western IT services, but you may have security issues in that. A very good and for us a favored solution, or I would not call it workaround solution, hybrid cloud solutions where you actually go along with the Chinese law, with all legal situations, but still can actually protect your data and your privacy. For this, we also will talk later a bit more. IBB is actually wrapping all their products and services around this hybrid cloud idea and hybrid cloud solutions. Last but not least, for sure, we still have the old-fashioned way we did 20 years ago or 10 years ago, having own servers, building everything up locally, having an own Exchange server, an own Microsoft file sharing server, and so on. And building up everything on your own in your office. But here, of course, you face other challenges. We have a high effort on maintenance, on running the system. You have to deal with local IT service providers, IT companies, which is a challenge too. So, since I don't have too much time here, I will stop it here. I hope you have taken something out of this video and hope to see you folks again. We will come up with more videos, also going more details to all the stuff I have started talking about. Have a good day, guys.